So what should I expect by the end of today?
I don't know. Actually, I was going to have you bring out a picture of what you expect, and I was going to have a picture of what I expect, and then we'll compare it before we even start.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. So we are figuring out how the end will look before we even begin. And we have a couple different ideas. I'm going to show the camera. This is what I'm thinking. Okay, based on how much gray she has. She also has some dark in there. And what I could do. Maybe a little bit lighter on those ends, but not 100% sure yet. All right, show them.
Okay, this is what I'm thinking. Obviously a different length, but that's what I'm hoping to achieve.
Okay, and now we're going to show it to each other.
Okay.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, awesome.
Okay. Yes.
Yay! Oh, yay!
That's actually really awesome.
Yeah, I was going to die if we had the same picture.
That would have been crazier.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Okay, great. That's
Perfect.
awesome. Yeah.
Okay,
great.
So to achieve this, I want to talk about the steps I'm going to do. The
Okay.
first thing we're going to do is that color removing treatment. Okay, it's not damaging. It's very gentle. You really won't notice a difference until I go in and foil. It's going to make my life easier when lifting. Okay, we're going to do a ton of foils on your hair. What's left out, I'm actually going to tone a little bit darker. Those are those dark pieces coming through.
Yes.
Okay, because if I just highlight, then you're going to have red coming through.
Yes.
So I need to tone that a little bit darker. And typically, like, it's not something I do all the time, but you have a good mix of dark still in your hair. I probably won't
saw
do
that
it
in the back.
in the front. I'll do much more highlights.
Okay.
But throughout, whatever is left out that's red, I'm going to make more of a brown.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
Woo! We did it!
There we go.
Okay.
All right, first step is CPR, and then, well, also first pillar disruptor. Yeah, hopefully it works out today. And step outside. So she has got some red in her hair. Red is usually the hardest to get out of. Already done a test strand on her a couple weeks ago, actually almost a month ago, and I'm gonna show you guys that. And now we are doing the CPR treatment with color destructor as well on top of that. She's going to sit under heat for 45 minutes. It's not going to like take out all the color, but it's going to make my life easier when I go in to highlight her. So it's going to be a long day. I'm excited, and stay tuned for the results. If you're not following me, my name's 𝗧𝒢𝗡. I own Tone Hair Salon, Raleigh, North Carolina. And subscribe, hit that subscribe button, please. I'm almost at 300,000 followers. I just need a few more for that. Also, I'm on TikTok and Instagram, 𝗧𝒢𝗡. Bye-bye. Right, not so skinny for you, not that. Did you know them? Then stop. This thing is hot. Moving around the whole thing. Okay, it's fine. Where it gets hot, then I just made it in. I'm gonna grab a new one. Yep, I'm on. Just, yep. Also, see, it's fine. Yeah. Alexa, off. What is time? It's about 20 minutes in. We are massaging that product. When you used it all. Yeah. And it was saturated when... Yeah, it's really saturated. Okay, good. So I was everything text me. I was at friend house and with her test around. How did you found it? That's the kid is eating, but that is not ordering it down. And so lady speaks all you get there. She looks ye. But that's a lot of the I mean, she choose all the time. You can't come here in the cab. Okay, there I go. And I'm so frustrated. Yeah. Good. All right, here we go. So CPR is not a magical solution, but it does take off some of the color and makes my life a lot easier and the client's life a lot easier when I go and highlight, because I'll be able to get through that color a whole lot better. All right, on to the next step. All right, now we are rinsing off her CPR, and I am gonna probably kind of for the first time tone it out a little bit with an 8 and a 6GN, just to kind of take that red off before I go in for foiling. And you're rushing a little bit. Yeah. Was it 5? Yeah. The morning. Just to get back to the desk into the table and the CPR. You're up to the king of cat, just like it. Amsterdam. Was our intern. Go to that. Then if I mistake you to send you out on this spot.
I'm gonna stay in that. I mean, she's from Michigan. They were still living in Michigan, but after the funeral, she came back with me, and so she's been staying with me either. So we think we're gonna live together, aren't we? And you and Mom against the world. Yeah. We kind of like how down the cheating today. I feel about a time with our birthday. They just like, yeah, my new brain locks and that. Do not follow very much. It. I don't want to. Yay! Go back. Let's keep everything on the way. Tell me about it. How that and it is one point. And there are things there. I have to do it, but in my own kind. It's like a little thing about that. And I get the experience on you. Girl, I only see her. How to do like production. Retire. I don't time to fly out. Yes, Ray is it's all like you should have climbed here and then you like see I'm teasing here. I'm gonna stay off for Nashville, like okay, that's level yeah. Oh, I grabbed it. Just in good end. We're so crazy. I knew people thought you were the big breath. This is fair and shoot it. That's rather really like a thing. That was a couple. So people talk. Yeah. Teamwork makes the dream work. Yes, I get an let's get it's one thing, and then I shut it. Okay. So the fireworks that she's looking at was not like the 4 and 5 terms. 4. Okay. So he has to pay for the service, or we're gonna call Fox. This is bottom line. Okay. Bottom line. And then in terms of desserts, I'm gonna say we'll charge for what's up until now, 800. Deal dinner for yes. If she leaves, we will call the cops. Good. You got hit off the pink the the color of look just guys. What she doing? She what? Stop the go. How many Alexa? Alright, I'm still foiling, getting there. Got Drika in here helping me tone in between. And by the time she's done with that, I should be done with the front. She has got foils on foils and foils. You've got 3 hands in this hut. That's 3 hands. You got second. You got 3. We're gonna get the job done. It's gonna get her done. Look at this kind of asking a little right now, and I make this not in this run. Yeah, it's so my books down that different look. I can do that. Okay, thank you. And don't forget you at 3:30. Oh, okay, well, I'm hoping you though. Right. Can you get in there? I got it. In there somewhere. Yep. Down here. Yeah. Man. Alright, come on back. He did. Humming along. And she's happy. Well, I just imagine me sitting in the chair all day. My butt starts hurting and run away. I hate sitting down. Okay, now I'm ready. What'd you think, girl?
I love it.
You love it?
Yes. Oh my god.
Was it worth the whole day here?
Yes.
You're so. Look at that. Ooh! Yes, queen. Yes, queen.
Didn't know we were doing both ways.
Alright, guys, so we did this in, let's see, 10 to 6:30 or so. 8.5 hours! 8.5 hours. You gonna spin around a little bit?
Yes.
Look at that, you guys. So this is one session. She might need one more session, but overall, we're super excited. And you know, she's now in the world of gray blended and blended. You see that I didn't really touch her roots, but we really focused on getting them there a little. But you know, I'm not a magician. You know?
Can only take so much red
I can
out.
only
Our
do so much.
This is amazing.
It looks so good.